is Denise Brindley-Thomas, and I am a teacher at Capitol High School in Charleston, West Virginia. I have been teaching here for over 13 years, and I have been using EVERFI every year. It has been very beneficial to all of our students, and year after year, they come back and tell me how this program has helped them in so many ways. It has helped them with their banking, it has helped them with their income and employment, budgeting, customer skills. There's been so many new things added, like the financing higher education for our college students that go into college. Understanding insurance is sometimes very difficult for them to understand, and they have come back and told me how this has helped them in so many ways. In my new position, I am a career and work skills training coordinator for Kanawha County Schools, and our school system recognizes EVERFI's certifications as going toward their portfolios for career and technical education. So every year my students complete a portfolio, and in the portfolio they have to have certifications, and the EVERFI program provides a very nice certificate that I print out to put in their portfolios. And also a couple of our students have received scholarship money toward their college and have done that through the EVERFI contests. So our students have benefited in so many ways with the EVERFI program. I can't say enough about it, that it is so user-friendly, easy to set up, and I've had a lot of success with it. So if you've never tried EVERFI before, now's the time, because they have added even more exciting new sections to their financial literacy program, and I recommend it 100%.
In addition to EVERFI Financial Literacy's digital lessons, you'll find a myriad of resources like offline lessons and discussion guides to bolster your students' financial wellness. Be sure to join our Facebook group, Educator Resources for Real-World Learning, and reach out to your local implementation specialist with any questions. Continue to discover new resources for your students at everfi.com/K-12.